Hello everyone, welcome to my Linux channel Bite of Linux. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 5 Gnome shell themes. So Gnome is a desktop environment which is very customizable, which is why it is a top pick for some users. And actually what you want to do before applying any themes or anything is install the Gnome Tweak Tool application. So to do that, go to Software, and then click on the search icon and look up Gnome Tweak. And click on Gnome Tweak Tool, and you should install it right here. So after you have Gnome Tweak Tool installed, you should be able to start getting some themes. So the first one on the list is Paper. And the list is not in any particular order, like best or anything. It's just random. So to install it, hop over to a web browser, and here you want to type Paper Gnome Theme. Now here you can download Paper directly from their website by going to snwh.org/paper, click Get Paper, and then run the appropriate commands for your distribution. Another way you could do it is by installing it from source. So if you click on the GitHub link, you can clone this. So let's open up a terminal, and then copy this. So you can do git clone, and then this. Once that's done, you can run these commands here. So yeah, first you have to actually cd into the name of the Paper folder. So you have to do cd paper gtk theme, and then from here you can do /autogen.sh. And it should do that. Now here, next you want to do make, and then after it makes done, do sudo make install. So once that's done, open up the Gnome Tweak Tool, and click on GTK and select Paper. And you can also select Paper for the shell theme. And if you don't have this option right here, what you can do is go to extensions here and then check user themes. And if this check box doesn't show up, you actually have to log out and log in again or reboot to have that option there. So check that, and then go to appearance and then select Paper for these two, and there you have it. So next up on the list is the Numix theme. To install it, go over to the Numix GitHub site, which is github.com/numixproject/Numix GTK theme, and then scroll down and you should see the commands for your distro. So I'm running Fedora, so I want to run this. And just click yes or enter yes for all of them. And once it's done installing, go to the Tweak Tool, and select Numix. So the next theme on the list is Zenlism Minimalism, or Zenlism, something. So to get to it, go to zenlism.github.io/minimalism/install. And scroll down, and here you have the installation commands. So I'm going to install it using wget. So open up your terminal, run the proper commands, And once it is done installing, go to the tweak tool and select Zenlism Minimalism, and also as your shell theme. And it gives it a nice transparent feel, kind of like Elementary OS, if you use that. The fourth theme is Adapta, which is a material design based theme. So you can go to your web browser, and the Adapta is hosted on their GitHub site, so you can go to github.com/adaptaproject/adaptagtk theme, and I'm going to install it by cloning it. So what you can do is go to your terminal and run git clone and the name of the URL, and then you can cd or change directory into the name of the theme. In this case, it is Adapta GTK theme, and then run make, ./autogen.sh first, so you can see the commands are here, and then run make. Now this might take a while, because right now what it's doing is it's creating all the assets and the files for all these buttons and switches and whatever. So it will take a good while. And as you can see, it'll take about 5 to 15 minutes to build. So it will take a while. You can just let that run. I'll resume when it's finished making. So once the make is finished, you want to run sudo make install, enter your root password, and here it will install it. Once the sudo make installed is done running, open up the tweak tool, as always, and apply it. Just go to Adapta, and actually, when you install Adapta, you actually install 4 variants. So there's Adapta, which is the regular one, really beautiful, and then you have Adapta Eta, which is a smaller bar here, Adapta Nocto, and Adapta Nocto Eta. And they have all the different variations here and what's different about them. So, but I like to have it on Adapta, and you can also change your shell theme to all of these. Nice material, and in general, it's just polished. Makes it stand out a lot. So the final item on this list is the Arc theme. So go to github.com/horst3180/arc theme. And there are actually 3 variants of the Arc theme. There's Arc, Arc Darker, and Arc Dark. Arc is just white. Arc Darker has a black bar at the top, black window bar, and then Arc Dark is dark and all around. So to install it, scroll down and you will have all the distro specific commands. So I'm on Fedora, so I'm going to use DNF. And of course, use whichever one is for your distro. And now it's installing, and it's done. So when it's done, no surprise, go to Gnome tweak tool. And actually, so you have to restart it if it's already open. And then select Arc. See, as you can see, there's actually more here. Must be different ones, but Arc, and then Arc here. And that is the Arc theme. So these are the screenshots of the different themes that I installed in this tutorial. So those were the top 5 Gnome shell themes. And actually, what you can do is change them around in different combinations to get the perfect look and feel. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope you're gonna apply some of these themes on your installation. And if you liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Linux videos. Thanks for watching.